forme. Qui joue?
I'm good. So, can I show some magic real quick?
Magie pour qui ça?
I don't understand.
Where you from?
I'm from Iran.
You from Iran?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Okay, I'm going to ask you. Go now. Go.
Can I show some magic?
Yeah, go.
Okay. I want you to keep note of these two things. This deck of cards and this post-it note. Can you grab the cards and shuffle them?
Can I grab it and shuffle them?
Yeah, imaginary.
Are you trying to take my brain?
No, just shuffle the cards. Very nice.
Keep going.
Now spread the cards. Yeah, more if you want. Spread the cards.
Okay.
And take one out. I want you to remember that card. Don't tell me, just remember it first.
Listen, if you don't get it right, I'm gonna whoop your ass. You know that, right? I got it.
Okay, remember? And I'll put it the other way around in the cards. And shuffle again.
I'm putting deux cœurs, okay? I'm putting deux cœurs.
Okay, so can I have the cards now?
You want all of it?
Yes, please. Thank you. This is all just your imagination, am I right?
Yeah.
For the first time, name your card.
Two of hearts.
Two of hearts. Look, I'll go as slow as I possibly can. You put it the other way around, right? Look.
Yeah.
All the cards are facing one direction except one. And two of diamond.
Heart.
Two of heart.
What the fuck? What?